Welcome, welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to create a desktop shortcut for Google Calendar in Windows 11 PC using Opera browser. In case you want to open Google Calendar always with Opera browser, you need to create a desktop shortcut. For this, click on this one start button and type here Opera. Then right click on this one Opera browser and select here open file location. Now again right click on this one shortcut of Opera. Select here open file location. Now you will find Opera application. Right click on this one and select here copy as path option. Close this one folder. Now right click on the free space on the desktop. Select here new and then shortcut option. Paste this one copied path, then put one space, put one dash, and then type URL, put one space again. Now copy this one Google Calendar path and paste this one path to the end of the URL in this one location box. Then click on this one next button, name it Google Calendar. Click on this one finish button. This will create a desktop shortcut for Google Calendar. Just double click on this one desktop shortcut and it will open Google Calendar in a new tab on your Opera browser in Windows 11 PC.